Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Money Way, and today in this video we're going to be giving a market recap for June 17, 2020. So let's start it off. Today was a very important day for the Fed. God himself, Jerome Powell, came out today on a live stream speaking out against Congress and their possible actions in trying to remove coronavirus aid. Without this aid, as you guys know, people will be unable to pay bills. Companies will have less spending money, and people in the United States will be placed in overall financial insecurity. Jerome's plan is to do as much as he can now in order to save as many people and as many companies from becoming financially unstable. So what this could do is could cause future tax increases because, of course, if the government's giving all this money away in relief plans, stimulus checks, all that, they're going to be having future tax increases, future price markups, future tariffs in order to get all this money back and to try to stop as much as this from increasing the financial debt that we are already in. So future price markups and future tax increases are not of a worry right now, but they are definitely something to look forward to in the future. So go ahead and let me know down in the comment section, would you rather have less companies go bankrupt now, get more money in your pocket in order to invest, but have future tax increases and future price markups? Go ahead and let me know. So switching topics, banks are going to be safe and are including these in future tax and price problems and stress tests that they have been running to try and optimize the performance and durability of these banks. So are banks a good investment right now? I believe so, especially with how much Powell and other Fed employees have been coming out and speaking on the security of these banks. They are looking good for now, but really you guys need to watch out for other news, as news can send the market into overall frenzies very quickly within a couple of seconds. You guys have to be on the lookout for that. Watch Closing Bell, watch all you can, look up stock market on the news. Maybe your brokerage account, your broker has news. I know with Robinhood, if you go to the homepage, they have news right in the front that you guys really should look out for. So next, watch out for Congress and their rulings that could send the market into a fearful fall or rampage, to say the least. Less money means less spending, which means more company expenses and less profitability. This could be really bad if Congress tries to rip the plug on this relief plan. Next on the list, I'm just going through a list of things that Jerome said that were very important to me and of course to you guys as investors. So next, we could be seeing a new $500 billion stimulus plan that could be giving this money to the states as well as local businesses in order to try to help them out in any way that we could. This would be adding greatly to the amount of money that companies have in order to secure their finances and secure their livelihood throughout this pandemic. Powell stated that he is going to do all he can, and it's really showing, especially in this relief plan, that he is trying all he can in order to stop future bankruptcies from happening. But if you guys know, back in 2008, bankruptcies were a major factor in the fall of the stock market as fear grew over time, sending prices to extreme lows. But of course, Powell thought of this too because, he's God, and says that these two situations are completely incomparable and will not happen. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. With this being said, I will be doing the top 5 bank stocks to buy now in order to profit off of the positivity released from Powell towards the standings of these banks right now. If you guys have been following along with Jerome Powell, you know that banks and overall financial stocks have been a prime topic that he talks about in almost every meeting. He really wants, because from an investment standpoint, you think that banks are the best stocks to go into. How could we lose the banks, right? They seem to be the safest one. So he really wants to address these fears, because if he lets these fears grow over time, they're going to come back and try to buy him in the bud. They're going to send stocks downwards because a majority of shareholders are buying stocks right now in the bank section. So thank you guys, and if you could please hit the like button and subscribe and the subscribe button down below You will not be missing out on future news videos, future market recaps, and future top 5 stock videos. Thank you guys, that would help a lot, and have a great day.